Hello viewers, I am Maithili. Today we are going to see 12th CBSE Maths Continuity and Differentiability exercise 5.5 question number 14. Let's see the question. Differentiate with respect to x. Cos x power y is equal to cos y power y. Cos y power x. Here if you see there is a function on the power. If there is a function on the power, then we need to take log on both the sides. As it is in equal to, we can directly take log. Taking log means it becomes log of cos x the whole power y is equal to log of cos y the whole power x. Here if log m power n is there, then we can write this to be log n log m. The power will come in the multiply form. Same way here also the power will come as a multiply. It becomes y log of cos x is equal to x into log of cos y. Now this is in multiply y into log something, here x into log something, then we need to use product rule. Product rule means keep y as it is, differentiate log x. Log x differentiation is log of something is log of x is 1 by x. The same way here it becomes by cos x. Into inner function differentiation also we need to do. For cos x it becomes minus sin x. Plus keep this as it is, log cos x. If I differentiate y, it becomes dy by dx. The same way plus here we are going to differentiate, equal to, here we are going to differentiate, keep x as it is, differentiate log cos y is by cos y, and inner function differentiation for cos y it becomes minus sin y, and also for y we need to differentiate. Don't forget that because the variable is different, then we need to write dy by dx. Plus keep this as it is, differentiation of x is 1. Now this becomes minus y sin x by cos x. You can also write this to be tan x plus log cos y cos x dy by dx. Same way equal to, I am going to write this to be minus tan y x tan y dy by dx plus log cos y. As we want dy by dx, bring dy by dx to this side and this term to on the right hand side. Now here it becomes log cos x dy by dx. This comes as plus, so plus x tan y dy by dx is equal to, here it becomes log cos y, here it becomes plus y tan x. I will write this to be, change this to be tan x. Now taking dy by dx common, here it becomes log cos x plus x tan y equal to log cos y plus y tan x. Now this comes as a divide, so dy by dx is equal to log cos y plus y tan x by log cos x plus x tan y. This is the final differentiation answer. That's all with the sum. Thank you.